Alright, my friends, we're heading off to the Yukon Honda so we can put the new tire, because this one is done, and then we can head up to Tuck tomorrow. I'm gonna be staying here for another night. I'm staying at the Stratford Motel. It's a beautiful sunny day. So far it has been great. I'm enjoying this trip, and I highly suggest it's one of those trips that you have to do it once in your lifetime. Yes, it might be long stretches of highways, but it's definitely worth it. It's a great experience. Good morning, Honda. Let's park it here. Let's go inside and find out what's going on. I left the bike there Friday on the phone. Now I'm walking back at the hotel. On Friday they told me I will be in and out. Now the guy told me it will be done before noon or something like that. So it's not really that I have a choice. We'll go to Tim Hortons, have a coffee, and we'll go from there. Whitehorse is the capital of Yukon and the largest city in northern Canada, with a population of around 32,000, which makes 70 to 80% of the entire population of Yukon. It was incorporated in 1950 and is located at kilometer 1429, historic mile 918 on the Alaska Highway in southern Yukon. Klondike 1 was built in Whitehorse and launched in 1929. She was the first stern wheeler on Yukon River used as a cargo carrier. But in 1936 the vessel struck a rock wall and the boat itself was a write-off. Klondike 2 was launched in 1937 and continued to run the Whitehorse Dawson run, carrying both passengers and freight till 1955. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
That's good, that's good.
Alright, so we got the new tire on. It looks good. I don't know how it's gonna ride. Motoz Tractionator Adventure. I didn't even look at the bill. If they charge me for which one? Motoz Adventure. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of funny because I went to pay and the guy goes $85. I'm like, 85 bucks? I'm like, are you sure? I'm like, is there a tire on it? And he's like, nope, there's no tire on it. So I guess technically I could have had a free tire, but I had to be honest. You know, 'Cause I believe in karma, you know. And obviously now it's gonna start speeding. Oh, it doesn't feel too bad. Feels alright. Yeah, that was funny. Like 85 bucks. That would have been a sweet deal. And I guess now I have to stay here in Whitehorse again. And I like the fact that they told me that bring it first thing in the morning at 8:30 and it will be in and out. And it took the whole day. And I called like 4:45 and I told him, like, yeah, is the bike ready? He's like, yeah, it's ready. I was just doing your paperwork. We close at 5:30 and I had to walk like half an hour. It was like a half an hour walk. I guess I could have taken a cab or an Uber, whatever. But yeah, anyways, well, that's out of the way. But it does feel good though. Doesn't feel too knobby or like how the guy told me it's gonna be noisy. Well, I don't know on the highway how it's gonna be, but... And of course we get the rain again. Let me clean the lenses. It's alright, I explore a little bit around here. Sometimes that's the way it works out. And I hope the rain passes through tonight and we have clear sky tomorrow. Good day my friends. We are on the road. We have left Whitehorse. I haven't done really much recording this morning. I was feeling a little bit out of it today. I don't know why. But now I'm halfway to Dawson City. I have covered about 250 kilometers and I still got 332 still. I'm just taking a short stop here. They're so cool. That's pretty awesome. That guy looked like Eric, the guy that helped me with my tire in Whitehorse, but I'm not quite sure if that was him or not. Maybe that's where we're staying, the bunkhouse. Well, here we are at Dawson City. We are at the bunkhouse motel, and apparently it's a motorcycle destination, this hotel. It's pretty cool. Nothing really special, but it's pretty nice. I'm gonna change and then we're gonna hit the streets.